Hello there, friends. I'm glad you're back for another story. This is an amazing story. It's called We're Going on a Nature Hunt, and it's written by Steve Metzger, and it's illustrated by Mickey Sakamoto. It's fun. We're going on a nature hunt. I wonder what we're going to find. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. Doesn't that look like so much fun? We're coming to a bridge, a narrow, shaky bridge. What's on the other side? Let's find out. Cross to the other side. Careful. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at those colorful flowers. But don't pick them. What color are those flowers on the other side of the bridge? Yellow. We are going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. Where are they going now? We're coming to a pond, a clear and sparkly pond. What's in the pond? Let's find out. Look at they're being safe and putting on their safety vests, their life jackets. Paddle to the lily pad. What did they find? They found a lily pad. It's a slippery, sloppery frog on the lily pad. Look at that frog jump and swim, but don't scare it. Look at it. Just paddled out to the lily pads. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. Where are they going? We're coming to a meadow, a wide and hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. What's in the ground? Dig down into the ground. What do you think they're going to find in the ground? It's a worm. Look, a wiggly worm. But don't hurt it. They found a worm in the ground. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. Where are they heading? We're coming to a tree, a tall, leafy tree. What's in that tree? Let's find out. Climb up the crooked branch. What's in the tree? It's a scratchy nest. Look at those eggs in the robin's nest. But don't touch them. Can you see those eggs? They're not touching them. They don't want to bother them. Don't disturb them. What's that noise? It's very close by. It's making a buzzing sound. It's a beehive. Let's go. Uh-oh, there's a beehive. Back down the tree. Back through the meadow. Faster, faster, faster. Back across the pond. Back across over the bridge. We're home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt. Now we're home at last. That was a very cool story about a nature hunt. Now, on a very nice day, you can take your own nature hunt and go see what you can find. See you soon.